Welcome all of you. So here is a video in equation of a line in intercept form. This is again another form of equation of a line. Before this we did the slope intercept form. Okay, now this is in intercept form. So let us first understand what is intercept form. Okay, then we'll do sums on it. Now intercept form is very simple. Supposing we have, this is the x and y axis, and we have a line which is going like this. Now this, let's say OA is my x intercept and OB is my y intercept. Okay, so if it cuts here at a comma 0 and here at 0 comma b, okay, so my y intercept becomes b. This length is b, this length is a. Okay, so intercept form is the equation of this line becomes x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Very simple. Okay, so if you know the intercepts, you can just put them here and you get your equation. And if they want it, write it in the intercept form. You should not change this structure. You should write it in this form. Okay, so this is the intercept form of straight lines. So let's see let's say the sums. Find the equation of the line which cuts off intercepts minus 3 and 5 on the x and y axis. Be careful, this is for the x, this is for the y. Very simple, x by minus 3 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, so they told find the equation of the line. So here the LCM is 15. Okay, so since they did not tell us get the equation in the intercept form only, we will change it to normal form. So this is minus 5x plus 3y is equal to 1. So 3y minus 5x is equal to 15 is my equation of this is the equation of the line they want. Find the equation of the line which cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, and then one more extra point is given, it passes through this point. So how to do this sum? It will cut off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Okay, so it cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. That means here, if here it is cutting an intercept A, that means A is 0. Here also it is cutting an intercept of A, 0, A. Okay, and it also passes through the point 4, 7. Somewhere 4, 7 lies. Okay, so now let's see. X by A plus Y by A is equal to 1. And this line passes through 4, 7. So here in place of X, I will put, because X and Y should satisfy all the points on this line, or all the points on the line should satisfy this equation. So here what I'll do, I'll put 4. 4 by A plus 7 by A is equal to 1. 11 by A is equal to 1. A is equal to 11. If A is equal to 11, my equation of the line becomes x plus y, if I put 11 here, is equal to 11. Okay, so that is my final equation of the line. You can write it like this also if you want. Okay. Next question is, find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Okay, now here is a question which is slightly different and so very important also. See to it that you remember this sum. It is cutting off, this is passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. So it is passing through 2, 2 and this one plus this one, that is A plus B. Let's say if this is A0 and if this is 0B, then this point, then A plus B will come to a 9. That is what they are saying. The sum comes to a 9. Okay. So now if I take A plus B is equal to 9, then B is equal to 9 minus A. Okay. Now x by A plus y by 9 minus A is equal to 1 according to intercept form. Okay, now here I'll put 2 and 2. 2 by A plus 2 by 9 minus A is equal to 1. Okay, so that is now how much is it then? Here I will get LCM is A into 9 minus A, right? And then how much do I get? This is 18 minus 2a plus 2a, and that is equal to 1. So it becomes 18 is equal to 9a minus a square. A square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. A square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 is equal to 0. A minus 6 minus 3a minus 6 is equal to 0. A minus 6, a minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So a is equal to 6 or 3. Now if a is equal to 6, okay, if you put a is equal to 6, then b is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6. So you have if b, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6. You can substitute it here and get. Okay. So you have two different values of a and b. So what is the equation now? So the equation can be, it can be x by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. That gives me x plus 2y is equal to 6. X plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So, and the next one can be, the next other equation can be x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Then you have 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So these are my two equations. Now geometrically, if you want to see what is actually happening, why can we get two equations whose sum is why can we get two equations whose sum is 9? See, it is actually like this. Here one line you can get like this. This is passing through, the point is passing through 2, 2. So it is passing through 2, 2, and you can have this as 6, this as 3. Okay. The other one that you can have through this is again something like this. Okay. Here also this is 3 and this bigger one is 6. But both of them pass through 2, 2, and the sum of their intercepts in both the cases is a 9. Okay. So next question, let's see. Here is the question. Find the equation of the line whose portion intercept between the axes is bisected at this point. Okay. So whose portion intercepted between the axes, so is bisected at this point. This is 3 minus 2, means it comes in this quadrant. Okay. So 3 comma minus 2, and the portion intercepted between the axes. Okay. So here this is the portion intercepted between the axes. Now remember, here it is a A0 because it's on the x-axis, and this is a 0B. Okay, this is a 0B because it's on the y-axis. So if we use section formula, this is 1:1. Okay, so 3 is equal to A plus 0 by 2. So A is 6 and B is how much? 0 plus B by 2 is equal to 0 plus B by 2 is minus 2. B is equal to minus 4. Okay, if B is equal to minus 4. So now find the equation of the line whose portion intercepted with. So we got these 2 points. This is now, instead of B, I'll write a minus 4. Instead of A, I'll write a 6. Now I want the equation of this line. Let me go back to intercept form then. X by A is 6. Y by minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay, how much is what is my final equation after LCM and everything? LCM is a 12. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the final equation of the line. Okay. Let's say the next question then. So this is our next question. This is the straight line which passes through this point and this point. Find the values of A and B. Little different, intercept form, x by, so if it is passing through these 2 points a plus y by b is equal to 1. In place of x, put the 8, put a, minus 9 by b is equal to 1. Okay, so this is now the next equation. My next equation is for this point. So x by 12. So the next equation is 12 by a minus 15 by b is equal to 1. Okay, 12 by a minus 15 by b is equal to 1 is the next equation. Now I want to get the values of a and b. Now let me tell you something. If you want two variables, value of two variables, if you have two equations, that is enough. So we will be able to find it. So what we do here is, here this equation I am going to multiply with a 3. Okay, I get a 24 by a minus 27 by b is equal to 3. Here this one I will multiply with a 2 just to get a 24. Okay, minus 30 by b is equal to 2. Okay, now you see I have got two equations with the same term. Now subtract. This is change in sign because we are subtracting. This is gone. So here I have 3 by b is equal to 1. Okay, so b is equal to 3. B becomes is equal to 3. Substitute that anywhere. You can substitute it here. Okay, if you substitute it here, you get 12 by a minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, so 12 by a is equal to 6, a is equal to 2. Okay, so I have both the values. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. As I said, if you have two equations, nobody can stop you from getting the values of two variables. Okay, so this is it from intercept form types of questions. So what I want to tell you is, please see the videos of straight line in serially. I have written part 1, part 2, part 3. You should also see the videos in that order. Okay, please see them serially to benefit maximum. Okay, another thing is the next video that I am going to give, that I am going to upload is normal form. Okay, so it is going to be normal form, and the next one is going to be distance between two lines. Okay, so with that we will complete straight lines. So two more videos to come. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, because lots of more videos in other topics of 11th maths is going to come up very soon. Thanks all of you. Thanks for watching. Bye then.